Hello friends, this is Savan Kumar and today we are going to talk about the word distraction. The word distraction. How to not get distracted. Why do we get distracted? What distracts us? And is distraction causing some real issues in our life? So before we get into all of those details, let me know from you, let me hear from you all. Do you get distracted? Do you get distracted when you try to work? Do you get distracted when you try to eat? Do you ever get distracted whenever you are trying to focus on something? Yes, we do. I do. You do. Everybody does. Everybody does get distracted. But you know who becomes successful? Who takes care of those distractions? Everybody gets distracted. Everybody gets those distractions coming to him, but whether he actually is getting distracted or not is what causes, or is what is the difference between a successful man and a failure man. So what are the distractions that we face in our day-to-day lives? What are those distractions? In our office, an email notification, a WhatsApp notification, something coming on Instagram, something coming on Facebook. We have a lot of distractions today, especially our boss calling up, our client calling up, some employee did something wrong, something went wrong, a call from the family, a call from the kid. Now that we are all working from home, so maybe your kid comes up with something, your dad comes up with something, your son comes up with something or the other keeps distracting us. Something or the other keeps distracting us and we keep getting distracted. So I said of so many things that distract us. What distracts you? Tell me in the comments below what distracts you from anything that you do. How do you get distracted? I'll tell you a small little secret. The secret is that we are actually not getting distracted by anybody. The distraction is here within us. It is not there outside where we think the distraction is. The distraction is here within us. Because we want to get distracted, we get distracted. Nobody has the power to distract us except we ourselves. We get distracted only when we want to get distracted. I'll give you an example, and most probably you would agree to it. So let's say I sit down and work. Now my mind is going everywhere it can possibly go. Some email notification popped up, or something came up on mobile, or something came up on a message. So now let's say I switched off the email notifications, I turned off my mobile, and now I am trying to focus on my work. Still I am distracted because my mind keeps going at different places. Somehow, if I still am able to contain that, now I'll suddenly start feeling thirsty. Suddenly, I will feel that I need to go to the washroom. Suddenly, I'll feel that my body is itching somewhere. So what does this show? What does this show? That we are actually distracted from within, not from the outside. Have you heard of people studying roadside, studying in the on the lamps, the street side, studying on the street lights? How do they concentrate? How do they focus? If we have to make an excuse about distractions, then they only have distractions in their life. But they still focus. There are wonderful stories of people getting successful. People not having enough resources. People not having the best and the most soundproof rooms, but still they focus. That is because they want to focus. Because they are focused from within. They know that they cannot get distracted. They know that this distraction is coming from within. what is coming from outside is something that we are giving ourselves an excuse that we got distracted because of this reasons, when we are actually not getting distracted because of any of the reasons. We are getting distracted because we want to get distracted. Yes, because we are wanting to get distracted. So the moment you stop wanting to get distracted, the moment you really feel the need to focus on any particular thing. Let us take another example. When you are taking lunch, what do? You don't have any need to get distracted. In the 10-15 minutes of lunch break that you take, you still go back to your mobile. You are still scrolling social media. You are still looking for the email notification from boss. Nothing would change. No client would run away. The earth would not turn around. The sun would not. Nothing wrong is gonna happen. But you still, even while having your lunch, you would be distracted. Looking at your mobile, scrolling something, doing something when you are not needed to do. At that point of time, you can only focus on eating. But still, what you would do is, you would watch TV, you would watch your mobile, you'll do something but not only eat. And that is what we are doing about our life. We are constantly keeping us distracted. We think that we have a unique ability to multitask. So we think that we have a unique ability to multitask. But do we really have that ability? Trust me, try doing this. If for an hour you want to focus on something, put everything off. All the tabs on your laptop off, all the email notifications off. Nothing is gonna happen. Nothing wrong is gonna happen. No client is going to say to you that you did not turn around immediately. Why did you not? You can have your block of work that you have assigned yourself to do in that particular hour, and that does not include sending responses to clients or responding to somebody on WhatsApp or Facebook or anything. You need to determine, you need to understand that you should not be multitasking. That is one simple thing that you need to do. You have to be settled down from within that for the next 1 hour or for the next 15 minutes or for the next 30 minutes, this is the only thing that I am going to do. And then you will see the difference. Even when you are eating or when you are drinking water, can you say that when I drink water, I only drink water? Can you say that when I eat, I only eat food? Or when I am sending an email to the client, I am only sending an email to the client, nothing else. And then you will see how the quality of your life improves, how the quality of the email that you are writing improves, how the quality of food that you are taking improves, how the quality of the water that you are drinking improves. Because then you start getting conscious about every single activity that you are doing. Every single cell of your body is focusing on that one thing that you are doing. Now it is not trying to multitask. It is focusing, it is completely focused. Your creativity, your motivation, your inspiration, your learning, your past, your present, your future, everything comes concentrated at one place, and that is the one thing that you are doing. So do not get distracted. Do not get distracted. And do not make an excuse of getting distracted. It is only an excuse that you are getting distracted. So, if you have any questions, any queries, feel free to ask me and I'll be there to help you, answer you, and keep walking. Keep watching my videos and see you in the next video. Have a good day.